Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are having a great day. Today we're gonna be making an exhaust video on the GX470, which is sitting right here. I've had this exhaust setup on the GX for probably about 2-3 months now, so it's definitely broken in and we're ready to film this clip. I'm super excited. Y'all know I love my exhaust videos and I love my exhaust in general, and the way your whip is sounding adds a lot to the experience. So yeah, man, exhausts are super important to me. And today's video is probably arguably one of the best GX exhaust setups you could do for the price. Y'all know I'm always on a budget and look for ways to save money, man. So here we are, got the GX looking super clean, washed it yesterday. And y'all see the weather, man. It's finally starting to clear up in the Bay Area. We've been getting tons of rain recently, but we're gonna jump in to the exhaust setup right away. So let me remove this off the little tripod and show you guys what I have done. So there it is. If you look under your stock GX470 right now, you're gonna see a big muffler section right here, which is obviously not there anymore, and I've went ahead and replaced it with a Vibrant Resonator. So removed the muffler box, replaced it with that Vibrant 2.5-inch resonator. So you guys want a little better look, show you guys again just in case. So that's literally the only thing I did. Huge shout out to my guy Andy, Classic Mufflers in San Jose. Most of y'all, my local peeps, probably already know him already. Huge shout out to him. Super quick process, and he got the GX sounding right. Coming around to the rear, I just want to show you guys that I still have the rear section for now. So I'm still thinking about what I should do. I don't like this little look at the back. It just, I don't know, it sticks out too much, and the whole rear is just cleaned up. So we might chop it about right here, but we'll save that for another video. I want to show you guys how this thing sounds at its current state. Honestly, it sounds so freaking good. I can't wait to share it with y'all. So I'm gonna get all my camera equipment ready, get a GoPro and strap that to the rear bumper of the GX, and then I'll get some in-cabin clips, street driving, some hard accelerations, some regular accelerations. You guys already know how it goes, man. Got to give y'all all the point of views on how the GX470 sounds with this exhaust setup. So I'm gonna get everything together and then we'll head out, get to the filming location, and get this show on the road. All right, y'all, cold start time. Like I said earlier, we're giving y'all all the point of views. A little bit of cold start action. I really like how the V8 rumble came to life after I did that little muffler delete, and it still sounds super freaking good. You guys will see right now, it's not too crazy and it's not too quiet either. So let's get into it. Gonna let it warm up real quick and we'll hit the road. So we're gonna start off with just driving inside the cabin and how just noise is from inside here, and then we'll jump to the exterior sound clips. I went ahead and closed up all the windows and let you guys hear how this thing sounds. We're about to hop onto the freeway right now. Show you guys how the drone is, and honestly it's not too bad if you ask me, but the thing I'm worried about is when I chop off that rear resonator part, how crazy is the drone gonna get after that? So that's the only thing stopping me right now. As of right now, I think it's honestly at the sweet spot. It doesn't annoy you and it's not too quiet but not too loud at the same time. So I'm gonna stop talking now, just give y'all some video of how it sounds, strictly sound. So my speedo's off a little bit, probably doing 3 or 4 miles per hour more than what it shows. This is what you can catch yourself cruising at on the freeway. And if you ask me, this is literally nothing. But then again, you're talking to a guy that has a super loud VQ 350Z and G35, so it's not gonna be the same for everyone. Just cruising at about 70, 75 RPMs at about 2,000. Not too bad. Y'all hear that V8, man? Honestly, stock, like, it was so freaking quiet. Like, you don't even know when you're driving. So I think doing this was definitely the move. And now, might as well talk about how much I spent doing this. So the Vibrant Resonator was about 110, something along those lines. And then getting the exhaust installed was probably another 100, if I remember correctly. So you're sitting at about $200 for this whole setup. And honestly, in my opinion, it's not too bad. There are other exhausts for the GX out there on the market, but you're probably gonna be spending close to $600 to $700. So yeah, man, I just kind of went to the cheapest guy. I didn't want any crazy welds, you know, getting done. So yeah, man, my guy at Classic Muffler hooked me up, and honestly, for $200, I'm pretty damn satisfied. Like, I have no complaints whatsoever. So yeah, man, $200 for this exhaust setup, you can't go wrong. And now we're just gonna pull off over here. Enough of the interior driving. Gonna wait for my brother. We're gonna get some exterior clips, and you guys already know how those go. I'll be doing a rev bomb. I'll be doing a rev. I'm not talking about rev bomb. I will be rev bombing it a little bit just to let y'all hear how it sounds. But you guys already know I'll do slight revs in the beginning, and then I'll go all the way up to red line. And then same goes for the exterior pulls. I'll do a light acceleration and then a heavy acceleration, and we'll go from there. Probably do a flyby or two. But yeah, man, super happy with this exhaust setup. All right, y'all, we just made it to the filming location, and hold the hell up. Look at this dude. He just murked something and he's starting to eat it up. Holy crap. All right, y'all, now we're gonna do the rev challenge. No, I'm just playing, just rev it out for y'all. Got the revving out the way. Now we're gonna do some pulls from a dig, do light acceleration, and then do hard, heavy acceleration. Man, this thing sounds great. Don't y'all think? That V8 rumble. right, you guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope the wind wasn't too bad and didn't disrupt the audio. But there we have it, the GX470 with the muffler delete replaced with a Vibrant Resonator. Like I said, honestly, for $200 you can't beat it at all. Super clean, crisp sound. I'm just worried once I chop off this low resonator, it might get a little droney, but we'll see, man. You gotta take the risks in order to find out. The more you F around, the more you find out. Y'all know how that saying goes. But man, I've been enjoying the GX so much. I think I've put about 7,000 miles on it already. It's super close to the 350K mark, and it's absolutely incredible. I can't believe it. I never thought I'd have a car that has this many miles. So huge shout out to Lexus. What a proper SUV. And I also went ahead and finally redid the headlights. No more haziness, or not as much as before, but the headlights came out pretty damn good. Hope this video convinced some of y'all to put an exhaust system on your GX470. It doesn't have to be the one I did, but you know, just anything to make it a little more alive. That V8 rumble, I know y'all heard it. It sounds so freaking good. Compared to stock, it's so boring to drive, but once you throw exhaust on, it completely changes the whole experience of driving the GX470. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but I think it's time to end the video. If y'all are new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join the squad. I appreciate you guys so much. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers, and every single day it feels like a dream. I cannot believe it. So I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. I love y'all. It means a lot to me. But there it is. Smash that thumbs up button. Comment down below anything you want. That is the GX470 with the muffler delete and the Vibrant Resonator. And that's a wrap. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Take care. Stay safe.